Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to on talkbacks in Technophone. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So first of all, you have to go to the setting. You have to press the setting. So just scroll it down. You see here special function, you have to press this one. So you have to come down again. No need to come down, just see it, this one, accessibility. So you just press it. So you see here talkbacks, you have to press this one. So you see here, you have to on it, this one, then you have to allow it.
Talkback on. Talkback.
You have to press it 2 times. You have to press it 2 times.
Navigate up. Settings.
So you have to,
Capital.
if you have to press it 2 times.
iOS launcher.
So it is
Screen
done
1
now.
and 2. Back button.
So
Window
friends,
navigation bar. Search.
if you like this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.